Punting is a basic skill commonly taught in physical education, especially in sports like soccer and football. It refers to the act of dropping a ball from the hands of and kicking it before it hits the ground. This skill is mainly used to send the ball over a long distance with control and accuracy. Punting develops several important components of fitness and skills such as coordination, balance, timing, and leg strength. It also improves a learner's ability to judge distance and direction. In games, punting is often used to clear the ball away from danger or pass it to the teammate far down to the field. Here are three easy progression in punting. First, stationary punt. Stand still, drop the ball, and kick. Focus on correct foot contact. Number 2, walk and punt. Take a few steps forward, drop the ball, and kick while moving. Focus on timing and balance. Third, punt to target. Punt the ball to a partner or cone. Aim for accuracy. Apply control while kicking.